Hi guys, welcome to this video looking at how you can use flame tests to test for different cations. Okay, there are 5 different cations that when you put them into a Bunsen burner flame give different colours. You need to know the colours given out for each of those different cations. The cations in particular are lithium Li+, sodium Na+, potassium K+, calcium Ca2+, and copper Cu2+. Now, before we show you the results, the first thing is to remember how to actually carry it out. So number 1, you need to light a Bunsen burner and set it to blue flame, with the air hole about halfway open. Number 2, select a sample of your solid and add it to a wire loop, and then hold that sample into the flame and observe the colour. So let's have a look at the 5 ones that you guys need to know. Let's start off with lithium then. Now I'm using a splint that's been soaked in a solution of our metals, our cations, just makes it a little bit easier to see the actual flame colours. So as you can see, lithium into the flame, it turns it to a red flame. If I do the same with sodium, you can see the flame changes to a yellow colour. Potassium, I do the same again. I take my splint, I put it into the flame with my potassium solution in, and you can see it's gone lilac. Next, if I take calcium, put that into the flame, it becomes orangey red. And finally, I take my copper solution, I put that into the flame, and it becomes a bluey green colour. And that really is it. So, for example, in the exam they could turn around to you and say, I've got a solution of copper sulfate, or a copper sulfate solid, I put it into a flame, what colour will I see? Nice and simply, bluey green. So all you have to do is remember the flame colours for these 5 different metals. So let's have a look at an example question that you could be given. This one says 3 solids were found in a lab, but the labels had fallen off. The labels read copper chloride, potassium sulfate and lithium carbonate. Describe a test to prove which solid is which. Now you could do the anion test, but we're not focusing on that here. All I want you to do is look at the cations. So how can you prove you've got copper, potassium and lithium, and how can you use that to find out which one is which? So pause the video, have a go, and we'll see how you've done in a minute. Okay, let's go through. So first things first, it says describe the test. So what do you have to do? Place your solid on a wire loop and put that loop into the flame. Then what results would you see? How could you prove you've got copper, potassium and lithium? So copper, you're going to get a bluey green flame. Potassium, you're going to get a lilac flame. And lithium, you're going to get a red flame. So you're going to get 1 mark for each of those. If we move on to the review question, nice and simply, a flame test was carried out on 5 different chemicals: copper nitrate, calcium chloride, lithium nitrate, potassium bromide, and sodium sulfate. Identify the colour that the flame would turn for each cation. That brings this video to an end. Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click on like down below. You can also subscribe to my channel, you can check out the latest video, and you can visit my website up above here. Bye now.